Represented by Mr. Harden, we have Mr. View from the Prosecutor's Office, Ms. Binger from Court Services. We are here today for a 6-month review hearing. The court is in receipt of the report from Dr. Atkins dated May the 14th. It's my understanding we have a stipulation to the report and to the recommendations, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. View, anything from the state? Any additional evidence from the state?
Your Honor, no additional evidence, and we don't have any additional statements or input from the victim side.
Mr. Binger, we recently did a home visit. How are things going?
Yes, Mr. Landis is doing well in the new group home that he's been placed at, and staff said they haven't had any issues, so he's been complying with his monitor conditions, and there hasn't been any issues on our part.
Mr. Harden?
Your Honor, I think Mr. Landis would like to address the court.
Okay, anything you want to tell me before he does?
There is nothing I would
All
like
right,
to
no
tell
additional
you.
evidence, right?
Correct.
All right, Mr. Landis, what do you want to tell me?
I want to appreciate, taking my, hearings and stuff, and our really deep medication on time, do our chores, sweep and mop our rooms and the hallways. And Jim Hardy already explained to you, most likely you have to wear this ankle bracelet, and I'm okay with that. And just let you know, I've worked on a lot of stuff since, the time I did in Summit and the other facility, 90 days. Now I'm working on 90 days at the Smith House, but it's pretty much going pretty good. So
Okay.
One for me, I get up, take a shower, brush my teeth, go to these group sessions. Don't make any excuses you can't go when you know you can. And I've grown, since the last time that we were in court. I've done exactly what you're asking me to do down the T, and I think I'm doing great now than I've ever been before. And I just wanted I appreciate, me getting back on my feet. And
that's something judges love to hear, accountability, instead of making excuses. He's explaining the steps he's taken to rebuild his life and stay on track.
I already talked to Jim Harden. It'll probably be a while before I can be taken off the ankle monitor. And the reasons why I went off the ankle monitor, I have a test I have to do, anxiety test, and I forgot the KEG where they stick stuff in your head and put wires. But the bad news is about that, I won't be able to attend that because the ankle monitor was going to interfere with the testing. So I'm going to talk with the doctor and stuff when I go back, and how they can make arrangements for me to do these things. It's very important. My health has gone almost sour. I've been having seizures lately. I had them in the past, and they're working me and helping me getting this stuff done. And having seizures were not fun. And they were really good care of me, doing the right judgments. I have been out a couple of times on the walk at the place I'm at, Smith House. No issues are coming back, and no issues are leaving. And I just wanted to let you know that I respect you, and I'll continue to do so. So Jim Harden is making an effort for me to follow what he wants me to do in the courts. And I've come a long way. And as I said before in court, I don't want to get out here and be good. I want to get out here and be great. And prove people wrong like I've done before. And that's pretty much all I have today.
That's good. Well done.
This is a powerful moment. The judge isn't focused on punishment here. He's focused on progress. Sometimes a simple question can reveal just how far someone has come.
So I want to know a couple things, Mr. Landis. The first thing that I want to know is, what did it feel like to walk in the courtroom today for the first time, I think, ever, without restraints on?
What do I feel like?
How'd I feel? It feels great. You got the burden off my back, and I'm still showing people that I can demonstrate wrong or bad, wonder and good, but nothing's going to bring back my brother, and I really believe that he, forgave me for what I did. It was not intentional, and I moved on for it. And I think my brother forgave me for what I did, and some of my family members pretty much gave up on me, because they kept saying I was never going to get out, and they pretty much now now since it happened, there's still no issues. Pretty much a lot of people interact with me, play board games, go for walks, and through all that, I still stayed on task with my medication and in group attendance.
Second question, Mr. Landis, how's your physical health? How's your physical health?
Pretty good, other than a couple of times I had a seizure. I went out to the hospital. The nurse and the doctor came to me saying, I have a knot in my chest and they don't know where it came from. It's about the size of a golf ball. And it's not really a threat so far, but I do want to review that in another 3 to 6 months. And I was supposed to go to a therapy issue, physical therapy today, but it got canceled. But other than that, it's pretty much doing what been asked to do, and that's to stay out of trouble and stay on task with what you're doing, and don't let anybody get in your way from following your dreams. And eventually I want to get out, Smith House, and settle down, find me a young lady and start me a family, live the American style. And I want to thank Jim Harden, the prosecutor, and Amy for their assistance as well. I feel a little comfortable now with the Smith House than I've ever done before. And that's pretty much all I got.
All right, court is going to continue the conditional release plan. I do find that you continue to be a mentally ill person subject to hospitalization, with the least restrictive treatment option being placement in the community. I don't have any changes to the conditional release plan at this time. It still contains the no contact order and the requirement that any facility that you are at, notify us immediately if you leave that facility without permission. I want to keep the monitor on for now, Mr. Landis. If there is a medical procedure that you need to undergo, just send us a letter from the doctor when it is, and we'll take the monitor off you for the purpose of that medical test. That shouldn't interfere with that at all. And we're probably going to review this.
Good news for Mr. Landis. The judge is keeping the release plan in place, and even hinting that the ankle monitor could be removed in the near future after months of compliance. That's a significant sign of trust.
Administratively in 45 to 60 days to see if it makes sense to take the monitor off.
Okay, sir.
All right, anything else? All right, that's all.